I completed my BTech in 2022. I was placed in Wipro from my college campus, and I was working there for 2 years. And due to some my mother's health and personal issues, I was in a situation to take a career gap of 2 years. So I wanted to restart again into IT. So I thought, why could not we do a course in IT? Because currently entering into IT is really a difficult path without any skills or knowledge. So as of I also had 2 years of gap. So then I chose GUVI. My journey started over there. One of my friend was working in GUVI. Into my mind, I thought of choosing GUVI. Before that, I know a friend in GUVI, so she used to talk about GUVI. So I was searching more courses platform. So there was n number of course platform, but still I did not get any trust from any of them. So that's the reason I chose GUVI. That was all good. So my mentor was Vasanth. He taught me very well. He explained everything in detail. So I chose Tamil batch. That was so good. Maybe the final project, yeah, that was with a huge amount of data, somewhere around 3 lakhs plus data. I just gave my full efforts for that. So mini projects was simple, but it also was fun and good. But final project was good because we worked with real data, but with a huge data. I'm satisfied with the course. I'm satisfied with the mentor. I'm satisfied with the projects, everything, and the doubt clarification sessions too. GUVI helped me to come back. It was like a backbone for my future to enter into IT.